Hello, my name is Wise. Thank you very much for stumbling onto my first video, and I'm now going to let my video self talk. I want to be able to start this YouTube channel on my journey through art. Who I am creatively and what I'm trying to be and what I'm currently doing in my life, right? It's very much inspired by Monet, lots of collaging, and just things that I feel or think about or see just plopped onto here. So this currently is a work that I am figuring out for a cover for an album for my friend. Really want to work on these clouds. I don't know how much more I want to be adding, but for some reason I have a feeling that I want to cover this up. So this is some of the work that I'm doing currently. And I wanted to show you my first portrait that I've done in a while with color. I'm actually very proud about it. It took me a while, and even though I know that I have some proportions wrong, my nose almost looks like Michael Jackson. The skin tones are nice, and I'm trying to understand that more through even video coloring. So I don't know how this looks on camera, but I'll get some better photos for you here. So this is what I'm doing. I think today I wanted to go ahead and take some time to just talk about myself. So a little bit of background knowledge of who I am. My name is Steven Ia. I am currently a video editor based in Philly. I live in the greater Philly area, and I'm very ambitious for my journey on how to paint, how to draw likeness, how to paint likeness. Sargent is a very big influence right now. Monet is also a big influence. I want to become a great impressionist, so I am learning to paint alla prima. I'm learning to understand what it is to draw what I see, paint what I see instead of what I think I see. It's been a bit difficult, but it's also such a great path. And as much as I love being able to be a storyteller through editing, I love painting as well. So I thought during this time of my life to be able to document what I have been doing and how much I've been learning. I've been painting since college, but it's only been recent that I've gotten more serious about it. Currently, my goal is to paint portraits by summertime. So in the summertime, I want to be able to just draw some friends and let them be happy and have a conversation with them, even though I haven't been really seeing a lot of people since starting my job, my full-time job. I think my life is just so turbulent currently, and so I wanted to be able to share just thoughts and ideas on what life is like, right? I want to be able to not just start an art channel, I want to just start a creative channel where you guys can watch me do things, regardless if it's bad or good. I just want you guys to be able to see what it is to just be fully creative and transparent with creativity. So as much as I am just painting clouds here, or trying my best to paint clouds, I am just letting my brain flow, letting it allow itself to have a break from any long days that I had. I had just came back home from a 12-hour shoot, and I even went to the gym afterwards, and I don't know how I'm not exhausted, but I kept on telling myself that if I wasn't going to be doing this, then who, right? So I pushed myself. I wanted to be able to do something for myself and paint and try my best to show you guys what it is to be creative and let creativity run freely. I'm currently learning from these videos and I'm watching them as I'm talking about them, so I plan to have these videos pat down and better looking and everything, so I want things to still look obviously aesthetically pleasing. This is just a huge creative journal, and I love that. I love that for myself. I love that for the world. If not me, then who? I do so many things, and I feel like I'm lost in it all sometimes. And painting really has anchored me on days that are just more difficult than others. There's something about listening to a really good song and just painting, regardless if what I'm painting is horrible or if it's lovely. It's just so fun to let my body do this dance and let my eyeballs see all this color going on. It's just so wonderful. It's interesting. It's absolutely interesting. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.